Smell of kerosene, earth hormone, adrenaline, plonk into the can. This is the circle of faceless, all one shadow fiend before the light. Tokka, tokka tokka tok. Whoompa! Two suns have launched themselves into the air and unleashed the dragon eyes glowing there. Under their gaze, the higher hearts pound, and the lead drum, fairy, pixie, fae, gapless excitement. This moment, this speed, the watchers all connected to his flickering unleash. Elegance in spin spirals within the essence Fibonacci skeletons of our drum. All the while the many drumming men and women take up the power's power, following the glow of sound itself. It calls me from my spirit's slumber as I watch the leaders dance, my ground moving my pulse into the fiery, beautiful voicement. Whoompa! My dance begins, an orbit's dance, an alignment's dance in a field of flowers with our wings. Upon sands of world curves, wide ocean skies, curves, waves, storms, with our currents in the air. And the eternal spherical book of the ages, these pages of shadow are so inscribed, their shells of fiery story signature. The shell of our lightning tribe as the reader. All our histories, these moments, our greater memories in circles, our own true selves and continents, we have returned here from deepest shadow, from deepest shadow. Rebel dragons, worms, griffins, phoenixes, giants, eagles, minotaurs, centuri, kangaroo, emus, angels, bunyips, elves, magicians, and warriors of all heart peace, and more the horde they are, black pupil eyes and fit as Maynard knows, and we are glowing with the colour of magic to the circle. For this is the circle, the multitude of Magnetica. These dual-pen suns at the ends of my staff, these swords and diablos and flickerings about with the intoned enchantments and crystals, and filling the air with its inscription, its fluid meditative language into a few balmy star-gathered nights. And they entrance their unowners, warm this friend amongst friends, this fire, make paradise circle of the land, from wherefrom we bend. Time to a shelter from all the chaos and the elegance of chaos, neutrality, this dance of balance between dream and reality. These words are written. O power, we are lost in orbit's infancy. We are lost in hemispheres of ground, sound, abound in designs of mind, and yet let our improvisations of heart come. Let this future spirit seed speed vibration begin. Let this wishing, twirling, whirling, curling be underway, then the round of deeper time in us to axis of the beat. And so know our collective hearts with this wind light, as time, as wholly empty, full selves like the Ace of Cups. Here is our wand, this the emanating tribe, our joy performing on your fields. Yes, we have found ourselves growing here. Yes, we have found ourselves centralizing the infinite light here, as if the flickering of this knowing here is the very flame flowers and frame of garden beloved. Aligned, fashioned of 8,000 hands spiraling out to reach you, and our self-portraits of ourself inscribed in this Fibonacci Da Vinci code. Our destiny strikes now. And which so speaks once. Now, now, now the drum stops. The last flame has gone out in equinoctial simplicity. The original howls of ourselves into the night. We walk away from this knowing, this creation with our child's smile. curvature of the world and our souls into the curvature of the world and the soul.